In English, linking words help to express cause and effect between different actions or events. There are three main linking word categories: conjunctions, prepositions, transitions. They can be used with all the different verb tenses in English. Hi, welcome to English Academy 101. My name is Michael, and I'm here to help you with your English learning journey. Today, we are going to learn about the linking words of cause and effect. First, we will look at how to use conjunctions as well as several examples. Next, we will look at how to use prepositions as well as several examples. Lastly, we will look at how to use transitions as well as several examples. If you would like to skip ahead to any part in today's lesson, we have added video chapters below that you can select. Conjunctions. Conjunctions can be used to both express cause and effect. They link two complete thoughts together. The most important linking words for cause are because and since. For example, I'm going to eat because I am hungry. Since it is late, she is going to sleep. As you can see, if the conjunction is in the beginning of the sentence, you must use a comma to separate the two clauses. The most important linking word for effect is so. For example, it was raining outside, so I brought an umbrella. The test is tomorrow, so I can't go out to the party. I must study instead. As you can see, with the conjunction so, you must always use a comma to separate the first and second clauses. Examples of other linking word conjunctions include as, thus, hence. Thanks for watching, but before we continue, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as it really helps us create more great English content for you. Prepositions. Linking words can form a noun phrase in order to talk about cause. The most important ones are due to and because of. For example, because of the snow, all the roads were closed. I didn't go to school due to my flu. Transitions. Linking words can be used in transitions to express effect. When doing so, you are joining two complete sentences together. The most important ones are therefore, consequently, and as a result. For example, there is a test tomorrow. Therefore, I need to study tonight. It snowed a lot last night. Consequently, school was canceled today. We didn't study for the test. As a result, we all failed. As you can see, you can use the transition linking words in one of two ways. First sentence, semicolon, transition word, comma, second sentence. First sentence, period, transition word, comma, second sentence. If you would like some more practice with linking words, check out our website, EnglishAcademy101.com, where we've included some additional exercises. We've included a link in the description below. That's it for now. Don't forget to keep studying your English.